What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, today we were supposed to be doing ball joints on our 6.0 Powerstroke. Why? Because I would like to have this inspected. Because now I'm at a point where there's enough miles on the engine that I can kind of do some dumb stuff. I mean, drive like super responsibly in the 6.0. But Mother Nature had other things planned as it's raining on me. Which also reminds me, don't forget to buy my merch. It helps sponsor stupid videos like I'm about to do now. What we are going to do is we're going to be getting our door handles ready. Not this set. This is a black set that's actually going on the 6.7 Powerstroke, because we're going to do black accents on all of that. Whereas these are going to, well, the ones I'll show you in a minute are actually going on this one. So I have to take them all apart and get them ready for when the paint shop is going to do these. We're also getting these roof cab corner things because one broke somewhere in the bed here, right there. So we're getting two new ones of those so they can get painted. I figure if one went, the other one might be going too. So two get painted, why not? This dent is getting pulled is why all this is actually happening. So the dent's getting pulled out. They might have to paint this while they're already mixing paint if they need to. Might as well get them painted. I really want that done to have the truck look good. It's annoyingly raining. So no ball joints today, unfortunately. That will be coming soon. Phil is busy this weekend, so I wasn't able to go over to DSD and work on that project. But coming soon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want not just 6.7 Powerstroke, but in my opinion, some of the best 6.0 Powerstroke content on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, like, and comment. Wow, the lighting in my room is terrible. But anyway, we have 4 door handles that need to be taken apart, and basically there's just, it's not really coming up. I'll show how to do it on one of the videos, maybe this one, maybe not, but anyway, we'll take this lock out, just this clip right there in the center of that holds it in, pull that out, that lock comes out, because that lock belongs to a 2005 I'm assuming 250 XLT that must have been wrecked. So anyway, we'll have genuine Ford door handles that will be much nicer than what I've used in the past. Making some headway on project cleaning out my toolbox and organizing stuff. There's one of my socket drawers mostly organized. Gotta have a ratchet drawer. I'd like more ratchets, I don't have enough. Another socket drawer, mostly organized. I'm missing a lot of stuff. I've lost a lot of things. So, working on getting things a little organized here. And we'll be doing a toolbox tour in the future. BD exhaust manifolds for the 6.7 you guys have been hearing about. Sound deadening for the 6-liter. There's some parts that need to just get pitched over here. Like an old brake booster from a Ford Edge. We have a 6.7 air filter that didn't work, unfortunately. 6.7 intercooler pipes that need to get thrown away probably as well. Whole bunch of stuff. Let's get to Ford. We are going to take the 6.7 because I don't want pulled over today. And this is registered and inspected as opposed to just registered. Well, they're both insured too. Anyway, I digress. Ford, here we come. Alright, so we're here in the truck. You guys haven't seen this yet. This is a video I need to actually make because I did put the head unit in, but basically getting all modern features here on the truck. Android Auto, so that's neither here nor there. That's a video coming I'd have hooked up. This is our current setup for it. Microphone. This is the USB for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. All my steering wheel control works. You can see the volume there. Anyway, why we're here Here's one part number. I forget which side these both go to, and they're almost identical part numbers except for the last little bit. This 2.8 is the only difference. So let's get one of these out and take a look. So here are, whoop. So here is the piece that goes on the roof. You do need to order the nuts separate. So I'm gonna see if I really need to, because if I have them, I'm just gonna reuse them. But basically this piece falls out. Like this breaks here, and then this piece falls off your truck. So yeah, we got right and left. Only the driver side is the one that popped off, but I figured if I'm doing one, I might as well do the other. So yeah, these are the paint to match ones. I don't know if all of them are paint to match. I just know I got the ones that are. And I guess realistically, you could put this up just like this. It probably would honestly not look bad at all. Like, it'd stand out a little bit, but it wouldn't look awful. All right, guys, so we are dropping the truck off now to have, I don't know how much the traffic is getting in. I have door handles inside taken apart that are gonna get paint matched white. We got new pieces of these guys here, the old 6.0 Bros decals. So yeah, we're going back to the painted white accents. I think that looks best in my opinion for this truck, and these black ones are gonna go on the 6.7 anyway, so that'll be cool. I love my paint. I actually painted these. They're filthy right now, but I gotta tell you, really happy with how they're holding up. Anyway, so yeah, so this dent unfortunately happened during its extensive stay at the shop, so but they're taking care of it. This is getting pulled out. So no big deal there. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Just want to do a video of some of the, basically some of the nonsense that happens trying to run this channel. Like, I don't get to do stuff like this, so I just want to take you guys along for parts runs and dropping the truck off. My sister in her Lincoln MKX I was just working on the other day. Anyway, she's taking me home, so she was nice enough to drive to the middle of nowhere and make this happen, so shout out to her for helping me out. Yeah, anyway guys, stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next upload.